Welcome to Bollywood Live. Today our guest is someone who made headlines with her fantastic movie, English Winglish. Gauri Shinde is with us, so let's know from her, and she is absolutely gung-ho about the film, and English Winglish is all set for the world television premiere. Gauri is here with me. Let's know from her how excited she is for this fine move.
Hi.
Tell me, after fabulous response from the audiences, now the film is set for the world television premiere. Your reaction?
Great. I think every time feels like a new time when it premiered in Toronto, when it released worldwide on 5th October, then when the DVD came out, and now this, which is also another huge premiere of sorts, and newer people will be watching it, or repeat audience will be there, so and new reactions will come. So I'm looking forward to this.
Are you anticipating this kind of reaction from audiences, especially given the fact that the scale of the movie and the nature of the movie?
No, I think the fun is in having never expected anything, and when all of this happens to you, it's amazing.
And people have seen English Winglish, they loved it, and now they are going to watch it on the small screen. I mean, what strategy actually goes into it, and why do you want people to watch it on the small screen all over again?
Because there are a lot of people, I think, who have not been able to go to the theatre. A lot of women, for instance, who's a large part of my audience, actually. And for some reason or the other, there's been some times when I have missed a movie in a theatre, and by the time I wanted to go watch it, it's been out. And sometimes you're out of the country, you're on holiday or wherever, or caught up in work. So this gives you an opportunity to actually sit in your home and watch it, even record it and watch it later again. And sometimes what happens is, even when you're flipping through channels and suddenly some movie comes that you have liked, and you just want to just pause and watch the scene, that you've enjoyed, and you just start it could be even from the middle of the movie. So, all those experiences are interesting, and there's always some audience to be, who's there too for this.
And what next? After English Winglish, after such a fabulous response to the movie, has that given you more courage to do more women-centric films?
No, I wouldn't say even this. I didn't start out thinking woman-centric, so that's not really a genre that I want to be associated with. I'll do human-centric films, I can say so, but I don't know what next. I'm not trying to feel the pressure that all of you are trying to feel, like what next, you have to do something, so I'm trying not to feel that.
So surely watch this film on 29 December, Saturday, 8 p.m. sharp on Zee Cinema. Thanks a lot for talking to us.
We're both equally excited because the response to this film has been amazing, and with each new release there's a new section and new sets of responses. I'm sure there's tons of new responses waiting to happen, and all the people who didn't get to watch it, I'm hoping they all get to sit at home and see this film. So thanks to Zee Cinema, and really look forward to this.
So, भाई क्या sequel film का हम देख पाएंगे?
मुझे नहीं लगता।
वैसे आप क्या चाहती हैं? पहले sequel या नहीं?
देखिए डायरेक्टर है, she should be convinced. Of course, why not? ये सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I mean, it's really rarely you get to hear this part two का It means that you all loved
part one you already coming.
वैसे आपको टेलीविजन से बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है, पहले भी आप टेलीविजन का आउटिंग कर चुकी हैं, मालिनी आया, और इस बार शशि गोडबोले के तौर पे आएंगी, तो कुछ ऐसा कमबैक वाला एहसास टेलीविजन के लिए भी होगा आपके लिए?
हाँ ज़रूर, मतलब जैसे गौरी जी ने बताया तो शिक्षक तो बहुत अप्रिसिएशन मिला इस पिक्चर, तो डेफिनेटली लोग ज़रूर देखेंगे, ये उम्मीद है. I mean 29 दिसंबर 8 बजे, तो मैं भी ज़रूर देखूँगी.
Any planning to Janvi की film में जल्दी अगर देखने को मिलेंगे, because nowadays we can see her with you on every event and she looks gorgeous.
She is my daughter. I mean, she's always there with me, and I love to take her like any other mother. This thing, it doesn't mean that I'm trying to promote her or I'm trying to push her. she's young and she's very much in studies. She's doing very well. तो बाद में देखेंगे क्या होगा उससे।
मैम एक पोल के मुताबिक आपको और अमिताभ बच्चन को सबसे पॉपुलर पीपल का खिताब दिया गया है फॉर 2012। तो कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। भी और क्या बता सकते हैं इससे ज़्यादा।
ये साल आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा रहा इंग्लिश लाइक व्हाट्स योर रेजोल्यूशन फॉर द कमिंग ईयर?
Well, I don't believe in planning things. मतलब जैसे मैं कभी सोचा नहीं है इंग्लिश मेरी पास आएगी और मैं ये पिक्चर करूँगी, तो it just happened and I always believe whatever happens will best.
अच्छा, लेकिन आने वाले एक साल में कुछ प्लानिंग, क्योंकि दर्शक अब और ज़्यादा देखना चाहते हैं आपको।
मैं बहुत नसीबी है, सुन के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और ज़रूर काम करना चाहती हूँ, बट डेफिनेटली इट विल बी दिस टाइम 15 will be soon. अगर moment I find something really exciting, definitely
गौरी ने शायद इतना शुरू कर दिया होगा कुछ नया। मैं भी ऐसी हूँ, कुछ प्लान नहीं कर रही हूँ, कुछ आ गया तो
मिस्टर इंडिया पार्ट 2 को लेकर भी कुछ खबरें आ रही हैं कि मोदी जी मिस्टर इंडिया का सीक्वल बनाने का प्लान कर रहे हैं। आप
हाँ जी, ज़रूर बना रहे हैं, मगर पहले नो एंट्री में एंट्री मेरे शुरू करेंगे, तो उसके बाद मिस्टर इंडिया पहुँचेगा।
सो नेक्स्ट आपकी मिस्टर इंडिया पार्टी हो सकती होगी?
जी मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि अभी फिलहाल गुरु जी नो एंट्री पार्ट 2 में काम कर रहे हैं, इसके ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे।
श्रीदी कोई ऐसा प्लान होगा कि मिस्टर इंडिया पार्ट 2 में एक हवाबाई पार्ट 2 भी हो जाए?
चलिए इसको अभी जो टॉप अभी तक स्क्रिप्ट के ऊपर काम चल रहा है।
मालिनी है आपका लास्ट आउटिंग है टेलीविजन पे, कोई और प्लान टेलीविजन पे वापसी करने का किसी और सीरियल के जरिए या फिर रियलिटी शो जज करने के लिए?
नहीं जी, ऐसे कुछ नहीं।
अच्छा, आप इंग्लिश की बात कर रहे हैं, जिस तरह का मामला इधर चल रहा है, रेप केस को लेकर लोगों ने आवाज़ उठाई है, आपका कहना है?
ज़रूर उठाना चाहिए। ये ऐसी चीज़ है, बहुत मेंटली डिस्टर्ब होते हैं जब पढ़ते हैं और उसके न्यूज़ में, और इसके लिए कुछ सब लोग मिलकर कुछ करना चाहिए। दिस शुड नॉट कंटिन्यू।
Any other questions about English?
Ma'am, another thing from the world of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, a great legend, has taken a retirement. So what will you talk about English?
मैं रिटायर नहीं
अरे हम न्यू ईयर के बारे में
individual wise बातें होंगी। I'll request all the let's have one last question if at all. So we're done with the questions. Yeah, done.
Ma'am, at last the New Year issue.
Yeah, New Year's wishes.
Happy New Year.
Great. Friends from the print media, I'll now request electronic media. We are done with our bites.
It took her 15 years and one wonderful film to make a stunning comeback, and what a comeback that really was. The gorgeous star Sridevi is here with me. So let's ask from her, and her film English Winglish is all set for the world television premiere. So let's know from her how excited she is. Thanks a lot for talking to us.
Thank you so much.
Did you expect this kind of reaction to your film English Winglish, given the fact that it was a small scale film?
Well, I was definitely sure that people will like the movie, but this degree of success and appreciation I never imagined.
How do you react? How do you respond, given the fact that now it is ready for the world television premiere?
Well, this is the first time. I mean, this is a really new experience for me, having a premiere for world television premiere, and this is beautiful. And Zee Cinema has really done a wonderful promotion. I mean, and it's really great.
What was going on in your mind when you signed on the dotted line for this film? Were you looking for commercial success? Were you looking for critics' appreciation? And have you achieved what you had set out to achieve with this film?
Well, maybe I can say a lot. I could never imagine such a positive reaction. But when I was doing this film, when I signed this film, nothing was in my mind about how much like a commercial, whatever you said. I only thought as an actress, I was really enjoying doing this film. And I was really sure that my family would be proud of seeing this film. And of course, my fans. And I was really sure that I won't let them down.
Lately, we saw you on many reality shows such as KBC, on Nach Baliye. You made appearances on various reality shows. Is there any idea in your mind that you would want to do a reality show in the future?
Well, why not? I'm definitely open to it, but let's see when it happens. Then I'll let you know.
Thanks a lot for talking to us.